Okay. So it is very important to understand why those equations are written in that way only. Okay. कार्टेशियन के इक्वेशन समझने में आसानी है, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Okay. Cylindricals are still easy, but when it goes to the spherical coordinate system, things becomes collaboration of easy things. Okay. जो मैंने कहा था कि भाई आसान आसान चीजें जब पाइल अप हो जाती है, दे स्टैक ऑन टॉप ऑफ ईच अदर, तो वो पूरा सिस्टम कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाता है, बिकॉज वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द सिंपल 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 थिंग्स. तो उसकी वजह से वो इंटरकनेक्शन इन बिटवीन दोज थिंग्स समझ में नहीं आता. So this is the last session. We are putting our efforts on coordinate systems. Okay. Let me share with the presentation where we can write something and we can discuss something. Before going that, we discuss about the scalars and vectors and their dot product and cross product and um, how to find the vector quantity itself. Okay. Then we also discuss in detail about the cross product as well. Cross product कैसे find करना है. यहाँ पे एक थोड़ा सा सवाल था मुझे. क्या सवाल था वो लिखता हूं मैं. ओके. दिस इज आवर प्लेन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट which contains two vectors and we say that the big cross product का जो resultant unit vector है और perpendicular unit vector, it is perpendicular to the plane. भी इसमें एक सवाल आ जाता है. परपेंडिकुलर तो दोनों बाजू में हो सकता है, एक तो अपसाइड या फिर डाउन साइड. तो कौन सा कंसिडर करना है, ये वाला कंसिडर करना है कि ये वाला कंसिडर करना है. ओके. सो फॉर दिस पर्पस वी डू हैव अ रूल. ओके. एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज स्क्रू लॉ. You may remember this from the 12th standard or the first year of the diploma. कि भाई एक screw law था. We will see that one also, so that it will be easier for us कि भाई upward वाला perpendicular consider करना है कि downward वाला perpendicular consider करना है. And we do have some sort of arithmetic associated with this, very important. Okay. ax ay az उल्टा रहा तो minus az and same vectors रहे तो you do have answer 0. Okay. Then we discuss about the Cartesian coordinate system. We discuss about their equations. Then previous session, okay, that was. Then the length of the arc, very important thing. Okay. Then we have studied the cylindrical coordinate system. We have seen why to study the cylindrical coordinate system, because it is somewhat similar to the field around an wire, current carrying wire. Their equations, spherical coordinate system, जहां पे कल बहुत ज्यादा गिचिड़ मिचिड़ हो गया था इस वाले सेक्शन में. Okay. Still we managed to see how those equations works by looking at the analogy of watermelon. Okay. And their equations. और आज फिर से एक बार रिवाइज करने वाले हैं. ओके. फिर से एक बार रिवाइज करने वाले हैं. सो व्हाट वी विल डू along with me, it will be better if you draw the diagrams. I am saying if you draw the diagrams in your notebook. Do you have notebook with you right now? I want
Yes,
answer from everyone.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Great. Great. So
Yes,
here,
sir.
down. Okay, fine.
Sir,
Now, first we are going to talk about Cartesian coordinate system or rectangular coordinate system. Okay.
sir,
So we have. Hello.
sir, ऐका ना.
हाँ बोला ना.
सर सॉरी मी ब्रेक केलं तुम्हाला, बट
हाँ
जर
बोला.
मी काल ऑफिसमध्ये कॉल केला होता, त्यांनी
हम्म.
करंट अकाउंट सांगितलंय, तर समजा कोणी तुम्हाला कॉल वगैरे केलं ना विचारलं तर त्यांना सांगा असं
Sure, sure, sure.
करंट अकाउंट आहे.
ओके. ओके. रुथ का सवाल था कल कि कल डिस्कशन हुआ था कि भाई जब फीस ऑनलाइन पे कर रहे हैं थ्रू बैंक ट्रांजैक्शन, तो कॉलेज का अकाउंट सेविंग अकाउंट है कि करंट अकाउंट है, व्हाट इज द टाइप ऑफ अकाउंट. एंड द आंसर इज कॉलेज का अकाउंट जो भी है वो करंट अकाउंट है. एम आई राइट रुथ?
यस सर.
Okay, coming back to our electromagnetics and the geometry, we are discussing about the geometry. Now we do have three axes, x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. And inside this, we have considered a volume, a rectangular, a cubical shape, not exact the cube, but cubical shape. Okay. So I can say that the edges, this edge is parallel to y-axis. Am I right? So therefore, its length is dy. Okay. The edges of the cube which are parallel to the y-axis, they will have the length called as dy. Okay, do remember that? Then let me erase these things. Now the edges which are parallel to the x-axis, क्या draw किया? ठीक है. The edges which are parallel to the x-axis, their length will be dx. ये dx है, ये dx है. Then this length is also dx. Okay, dx. I will once again erase these things. And the edges which are parallel to z-axis. ये z-axis है. So this is the edge, this is the edge, and this is the edge. तो उनकी वैल्यू क्या आ गई? dz. Okay, do remember that. Then if you talk about, let me once again erase these things. Now if we talk about a surface, the top surface, if we talk about this top surface of the cube, I am taking it very slowly today, okay, because this is the last session. One side is dx, this side is dx, and we know that this side is dy. Therefore the area of this top surface is multiplication of the edges, two edges, is dx dy. Same goes with the front face and same goes with the side face. इसका surface area आ गया dx dz. Okay. Now once again I am going to erase these things. Okay. Now if you look into this equation, okay, whatever bold letters are here, those represents the vectors. अभी notebook में लिखते समय तो आप bold नहीं लिख पाते. So what this means? dl bar. Small l लिखो या capital L लिखो, आपकी मर्जी, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. dx ax cap. Okay, this is a bar. Okay, means its magnitude is not equal to 1. This is a cap, means ax cap has a magnitude is equal to 1. Same goes with ay cap and same goes with az cap. The total vector length, okay, do remember that the total vector length of a cube inside a Cartesian coordinate system, length along dx in ax direction, length along y-axis, or I will say dy, in ay direction, and a length along z-axis or dz in az direction. Okay, dx, dy, and dz are differential lengths. Okay, differential lengths मतलब क्या? Very small compared to the total length. Okay, differential length. Now read this line. The differential surface or area element ds bar, okay, s is bold, with a unit vector a n cap normal to the surface ds and directed away from the volume. यहाँ पे देखो दोनों चीजें आ रही है, volume of a cube and we are also talking about the surface of the cube. directed away from the volume if ds bar is a part of surface describing the volume. ये वाला टॉप सरफेस, ये वाला फ्रंट सरफेस, ये वाला साइड सरफेस, okay, all these surface are part of a volume. These surfaces contribute to the volume in together. Individual surface do not contribute, but if we consider all the surfaces together, they contribute to the volume. Okay, so we can say that in a simpler manner, for ds bar we do have its differential surface area into an cap. An cap क्या है? Normal vector to the surface. Normal vector to the surface going away from the volume. Directed away from the volume. ये जरूरत है. So if we say that we consider this front surface now. Okay. Front surface से बाहर कौन सा axis आ रहा है? X axis. So इसके लिए direction क्या हो गई? ax cap. We are talking about the front surface. और इसका surface area क्या हो गया? dy dz. So a surface in x direction or having x direction as a perpendicular vector is described as dy dz ax cap. Let us now talk about this side surface. इसके लिए कौन सा वेक्टर बाहर आ रहा है? ay cap. Okay, और इसका surface area क्या है? dx dz. So I can say that a differential surface area with y direction can be expressed as इसका surface area, side face का surface area is dx dz and it has a unit vector perpendicular to that surface ay cap. तो यही चीज यहाँ पे लिखी है. And same with the this surface area which is top surface area. So for top surface area, AZ is coming outside from the surface, directed away from the volume. तो इसका surface area क्या बना? dx dy. तो यहाँ पे लिख दिया. It has a direction AZ cap. And very easy quantity, differential volume, the multiplication of the three differential lengths dx dy dz. क्या आपको ये सारी चीजें the meaning of the equations in Cartesian coordinate समझ में आया? I want feedback.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
दूसरा हुआ. दो ही बंदे.
Yes sir.
तीसरा हुआ. Okay.
Yes sir.
4 5
Yes sir.
6
Yes sir.
7
Yes sir.
Yes,
8 sir.
9. ये सौरव ने फिर से बोला क्या? यस सर. सौरव फिर से बोला आपने यस सर?
Yes sir.
नहीं
नहीं
एकच.
ना. हाँ. Okay.
हो.
सर तो आधी हिमांशु असेल सर. दोघांचा
नाही
same आहे.
हिमांशु नाही.
बरं ठीक आहे. चलो.
हिमांशु नाही.
I am glad that you are able to relate whatever you wrote in previous week and whatever we are discussing right now. And do remember that this is a revision class. Okay, you have to reconnect everything. Now this is a cylindrical coordinate system. Okay, this is part of the cylindrical coordinate cylinder. Okay, this is a cylinder, part of the cylinder. Okay, now we have some assumptions over here. First assumption, consider a point P on the surface of cylinder. Okay, consider radius of the cylinder is rho. Second assumption. Then project this point P onto the XY plane. इसका shadow देखा XY plane पे. Then origin से उस shadow को join किया. And the angle in between the x-axis and this line, okay, line joining the projection, ये जो angle आया इसको कहते हैं phi. Okay, phi. Do remember that whenever I say that a cylinder with radius 3 centimeter, तो इसके मायने क्या हुआ? The radius ranges in between 0 to 3. Similarly, phi ranges in between 0 to 2 पाई। ओके 2 पाई क्यों? क्योंकि ये फाई जो है ये पूरा गोल घूम के फिर से एक्स एक्सिस पे आता है। सो इट इज अ 360 डिग्री रोटेशन। ओके यहाँ पे एट पॉइंट P you can see a vector coming outside the cylinder, a vector which is coming outside the cylinder. It is in the direction of the radius. तो इसके लिए since this vector is along the direction of radius, इसको कहा गया एरो कैप। अगर पॉइंट P को मैं मूव करता हूं, अभी इनको थोड़ा सा क्लीन अप करता हूं मैं। अरे यार कितना मिटाना पड़ रहा है। ओके now if we move the point P along the surface, if we move the point P along the surface of the cylinder, it will move like this. Along the surface of the cylinder it will move like this. So therefore since we are varying actually phi, if I say that the point P is at this position, the point P is at this position, and we are going to project this one on the xy plane, so we will have phi quantity this much only. Okay, ये आपका phi quantity हो गया. So actually we are changing the phi. We are changing the phi. So this direction along the surface of the cylinder becomes a phi cap. Okay, along the surface घुमा रहे हो आप point P को. It is all ink on slide. Okay, fantastic. Now ये AZ cap, मतलब क्या मैंने यहाँ पे पॉइंट कंसिडर किया है, वैसे ही मैं पॉइंट यहाँ पे भी कंसिडर कर सकता, वैसे मैं यहाँ पे भी कंसिडर कर सकता था, वैसे मैं यहाँ पे भी कंसिडर कर सकता था. सो आई एम चेंजिंग द वर्टिकल पोजीशन ऑफ द पॉइंट P एंड दिस वर्टिकल पोजीशन बिलोंग्स टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ Z. ये डायरेक्शन ऑफ Z जो है ना वो पॉजिटिव भी हो सकती है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकती है. इफ योर पॉइंट P इज बिलो XY प्लेन, the Z direction will be negative. If your point P is above the XY plane, then your direction will be positive. Okay. Now come to this diagram. Okay. Now here, this is the vertical edge. 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 Okay. This vertical edge is nothing but small change in the Z quantity. इसके लिए इसका meaning क्या हो गया? dz. Okay. So we have described one edge of the part of the cylinder. Okay. Then this curve, and this curve. Okay. These are just like this curve. कि भाई आपके पास दो लाइंस है. You do have a small angle d phi, change in angle d phi, और आपके पास है radius rho. So this becomes the length of the arc. Okay. So these edges do have the formula for the length of the arc. क्या था? Radius into change in angle. And here we assume that change in angle is indicated as d phi. Therefore, the length of this arc or this arc or this arc, all of them has the same equation, rho d phi. Okay, rho d phi. Now this quantity. Sorry. Now this quantity. We are talking about these edges. Can I say that these edges belongs to the radius? This is nothing but the radius of the cylinder, and we are talking about very small part of the radius. Radius of cylinder is indicated as rho. Therefore, very small part of the radius is indicated as d rho. Okay. तो ये जो differential lengths है in the cylindrical coordinate system, one talks about radius, one talks about the curve, and one talks about the height, curve, or I will say that surface of the cylinder. Radius के लिए differential element कौन सा बना? d rho in the a rho direction, क्योंकि पता है रेडियस इतना हो सकता है, 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 but everything is in a rho direction, radially outward direction. Okay. Then we talk about the surface. Surface की edge जो है, it is just like your length of the arc. Therefore उसका equation बना rho d phi and along the a phi direction, जो discuss किया था कि भाई along the surface अगर आप move हो रहे हो तो it is nothing but a phi direction. और height dz, ये जो dz था, we are talking about the height of the cylinder and it is in az direction. Similarly, I will now erase everything. Okay. Similarly, we do have surfaces. Surfaces with a rho as a perpendicular vector, surface with a phi as a vector, surface with az as a vector. Can I say that az is coming outside of the cylinder? So this represents the top surface of the cylinder, जहां की ये represent कर रहा है what I will say ds phi. Not exactly the top. Let me erase everything once again. We will go one by one. So rho. So we do have this surface, which is nothing but, let me indicate the surface over here. Okay. This is kind of front surface. I will say that front surface. So it has two values, rho d phi and dz. So rho d phi dz and a vector which is coming outside the front surface. Then we do have ds phi, which is nothing but, now let me erase few of the things, not all. Then we have surface with d phi. Can I say that we are looking at this surface, okay, which will have a phi direction in this way. So this surface has dz, okay, the vertical edges, and the horizontal edges as d rho, but the surface has a phi quantity as a perpendicular quantity sa. Okay, and we are talking about a surface which is inside the cylinder. Okay, ये वाला जो dot 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 कर रहा हूँ ना, this surface is inside the cylinder. Then we do have third quantity, which is nothing but our okay, this rectangle, and we know that this is nothing but this quantity, and we have d rho. So d rho into rho d phi, and we do have for this surface az vector coming outside, az vector. Okay, and the volume is nothing but multiplication of the three quantities, rho d phi, d rho, dz. Okay, this multiplied by this will give us the volume. Okay, and do remember that कि कार्टेशियन में पॉइंट एक्सप्रेस होता है x y z, सिलेंड्रिकल में होता है रो phi z, और स्पेरिकल में होता है r थीटा phi. यहां पे रो इज रेडियस, रो जो है वो रेडियस है, यहाँ पे r जो है वो रेडियस है. ओके, phi is angle with x-axis. Once again, phi is angle with x-axis and theta is angle with z-axis, जो कल के डिस्कशन में देखा था. So coming back to our discussion about spherical system, अगर मैं P को in this direction move कर रहा हूं, okay, so what I am changing? I am changing the phi. I am changing the phi. Okay, ऐसे अगर move करता हूं तो we are changing the phi. So can I say that the length of this arc is radius r and change in angle phi. Okay, अगर मैं इस पॉइंट को ऐसे मूव करता हूं, ओके, ऐसे मूव करता हूं तो व्हाट आई एम चेंजिंग थीटा. सो कैन आई से दैट फॉर दिस कर्व we have radius r and change in theta. Okay, but very interesting point over here, yes, in yesterday's session we have discussed one geometry कि भाई जहां पे आपको ये एंगल थीटा है तो दिस लाइन इज आर साइन थीटा. ओके, आर साइन थीटा. एंड देयरफॉर अभी मैं ये आर साइन थीटा क्यों आया एंड व्हाट आई हैव ड्रॉन ओवर हियर, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दैट वन, बट वी डू हैव अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ ये आर साइन थीटा कहां से आ गया. ओके, सो व्हाट आई विल डू, one sec, r sin theta d5. ओके, सो आर डी थीटा तो समझ में आ गया कि भाई वर्टिकल कर्व है, ये हॉरिजॉन्टल कर्व है. तो अलोंग द हॉरिजॉन्टल कर्व इफ यू लुक इनटू दिस ज्योमेट्री, ये हॉरिजॉन्टल कर्व और यहाँ पे ये आर साइन थीटा आया था. ओके, ड्यू टू दिस अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ r sin theta, I won't write down r d phi, but r sin theta d phi. Okay, so for this curve we do have r sin theta d phi. For this curve we do have r d theta. And ये जो अंदर है स्फीयर के अंदर जो है छोटा सा पार्ट दिख रहा होगा आपको, that is a change in the radius, that is dr. Okay, so we do have differential lengths, a length along the radius of the cylinder for which AR cap, a radially outward direction from the sphere, AR cap. ये radius कम ज्यादा कर सकते हैं. Then we do have RD theta. Okay, RD theta which has A theta direction. ये वाला कर्व जो वर्टिकल कर्व है, ये वाला कर्व RD theta. Then we do have r sin theta d phi along the phi direction. ये जो along the curve का डायरेक्शन है ये कौन सा phi डायरेक्शन है. और r sin theta d phi is the third length in spherical coordinate system. So add them together, so we will have all the equations. Then I will try to redraw this geometry over here. Let us see how it goes. Okay, quite good one. So this is length dr. The curve is r sin theta d phi, and this vertical line, which looks like a straight line, but it has to be a curvy line. This got an equation r d theta. Okay, so a differential surface area which will have AR cap as a unit vector. मतलब क्या? A surface which will have the radially outward directed vector. मतलब ये वाला, मतलब ये साइड सरफेस आ गया. तो इसके लिए देखोगे तो r sin theta d phi multiplied by r d theta means r square sin theta d theta d phi. Same is written over here, r square sin theta d phi. If we talk about a surface area with a theta direction, okay, can I say that this is the bottom surface? okay, which will have d theta. So एक एज आ गई उनकी dr, एक एज आ गई उनकी dr, और दूसरी एज है उनकी r sin theta d phi. तो दोनों की मल्टीप्लीकेशन अगर लेते हो तो ये dr आ गया, ये r sin theta d phi आ गया in the a theta direction. Now if we go for third surface which has ds phi direction, मतलब क्या, ऐसे कुछ तो phi direction, I am talking about उस साइड का surface. Okay, which surface I am talking about? Let me highlight that surface. Okay, ये वाला surface, this will have a phi direction. तो इसकी दो साइड्स क्या हो गई, एक dr हो गई और दूसरी क्या हो गई, r d theta. तो dr r d theta which will have a phi direction as a perpendicular direction to the surface coming outside the volume. Okay, volume से बाहर निकलना चाहिए. Okay, and the third quantity is dv, differential volume enclosed by the surfaces. ये जो क्यूब निकला यहाँ पे, इसने क्या differential volume create किया? So multiplication of everything. So r square sin theta dr d theta d phi, and remember that point P is represented as r theta phi. Okay, spherical coordinate system. Is everyone with me? जो भी discussion यहाँ पे किया मैंने.
Totally, sir. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay, okay, fine. I will consider others are also with us, and we will move on to the next and last point of the session. Vectors. Revisit है, revision है. जो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में चीजें बताई थी आपको, पहले ये डिस्कस करते हैं, दूसरा ये डिस्कस करते हैं, और तीसरा ये डिस्कस करते हैं. We do have x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis, and we do have the unit vectors associated with x-axis as ax cap, y-axis as ay cap, z-axis as az cap. Okay, we know that these are the unit vectors. Similarly, in other coordinate systems, we do have corresponding unit vectors. Okay, I will write down the point P in Cartesian coordinate system x, y, z, the point P in cylindrical coordinate system rho phi z, and the point P in spherical coordinate system as r theta phi. So ax, ay, az are the unit vector, a rho, a phi, az are the unit vector, ar, a theta, a phi will be the unit vectors. Now second point, in the starting of the session, I asked you about the direction of the resultant normal vector. वो upside consider करना है कि फिर downside consider करना है? And I said that we do have a screw law to describe the direction of the perpendicular vector. अभी समझ लीजिए, we do have angle theta from A to B. So we are moving from A to B. Direction is important. So we will screw our screw in a direction of A to B. This is nothing but a clockwise direction. I will say that will much easier to explain. Clockwise direction. अगर आप screw को clockwise घुमाते हो, if you move your screw in a clockwise direction, it will penetrate. Okay, so in this case, your direction, the resultant direction will be downward. Okay, if screw is penetrating inside the surface, then the direction is downward. And at the same time, in some another situation, if I say that the angle in between A and B is measured in anti-clockwise direction, anti-clockwise. अगर फिर अब आप अगर स्क्रू को एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में घुमाओगे तो इट विल come outside the surface. So in this case, we will consider the upward direction. Okay, we will apply this logic while solving the numerical, and you will understand कि भाई कई बार we consider plus az cap as a perpendicular direction, and sometimes we consider minus az cap as a direction. वो क्यों करते हैं? Because of the screw law, because of the angle in between the two vectors. Okay. And the third point, which will be the actually starting of the next session, let us say we have a cubical kind of structure in coordinate system and let us represent that P is a point in the Cartesian coordinate system and it is at position 3, 5, 4. Okay, means what? X is 3, Y is equal to 5 and Z is equal to 4. And I want to calculate what is the vector R. What is the vector R? By looking at the diagram, given diagram, okay? This is point of origin, 0, 0, 0. Can I say that now vector R can be calculated as destination minus source, okay? Or I will say that end point minus starting point, जैसे भी आपको दिमाग में रखना है, okay? So what we have, R bar is directed from, let us say this is called as 0. Oh, sorry, O. Okay, it is directed from O to P. So here end point is P and starting point is our origin. So what we have, end minus starting, we are talking about AX cap, plus end का Y और starting का Y, AY cap, plus end का Z minus starting का Z, AZ cap, and this is nothing but 3AX cap plus 5AY cap plus 4AZ cap. Okay, what exactly this equation means to us? समझ लो, हमेशा सिर्फ मैथमेटिक्स काम में नहीं आएगा, समझ लेते हैं कि भाई if I want to reach to the point P, so I have to travel by 3 units in AX direction. तो AX डायरेक्शन में 3 यूनिट्स आपको ट्रैवल करना है, then 5 units in AY डायरेक्शन, 5 units in AY डायरेक्शन ट्रैवल करना है, and 4 units in AZ डायरेक्शन, so upward 4 units in AZ डायरेक्शन, तब जाके आप वो पॉइंट P पे पहुंच रहे हो. These are straight lines and we are talking about vector, direct मतलब हवाई जहाज से उड़ के आप O से निकल गए और P को पहुंच गए. Okay, this is the meaning of this equation R bar. And if I say that find the magnitude of R bar, it is simple, 3 square plus 5 square plus 4 square, whatever will be the answer, magnitude है. And if I ask you very important thing over here now, कि भाई ये जो R वेक्टर है ना, इसका AR कैप निकालो. AR कैप मतलब क्या? A unit vector along the some vector. Okay, so उसका डेफिनेशन क्या है? R bar upon magnitude of R bar. मतलब क्या? 3AX cap plus 5AY cap plus 4AZ cap upon magnitude is 9 plus 25 plus 16, or I will say that under root 50. Okay, so ये जो 3 quantities है, very important quantities, we will require those quantities. कि भाई R bar आप कैसे find करते हो? Okay, R bar, how you are going to find it, how you are going to find the magnitude of R bar, and how you are going to find the unit vector along any kind of general vector. Okay, ये 3 चीजें these are the only 3 things, I will say these are the only 3 things to solve the numerical for first 3 units. अभी मुझे बताओ ये चीजें difficult है क्या? Yes or no?
No sir.
नहीं सर. नो सर.
Absolutely not. क्योंकि we are क्या कहते हैं, we are looking at the Cartesian coordinate system, और मैं हमेशा कह रहा हूं कि भाई आसान आसान चीजें है where Individually, those things are pretty much easy, but when we are going to club them together, those are going to be difficult because you don't understand the easy things. तो आज का जो सेशन था वो काइंड ऑफ रिफ्रेशर था, रिवीजन था, टू मेक यू कनेक्ट विद द फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट यू हैव रोट, okay, and to start with the next session where we are going to start with the now fancy things, Coulomb's law, Faraday's law, and blah blah blah. And we are going to use only these three things: find the vector, find the magnitude of the vector, and find the unit vector associated with that particular vector. Any doubt for today's session? If yes, please ask me. Otherwise, we will end the session.
No, sir.
No, sir. No doubt.